We know that emergency lighting is important, and we know that emergency lighting must be tested. But we also know that testing takes scarce time and resources, and is prone to errors. So know this: FirstLink is the best way to test. FirstLink keeps your building safe and you code compliant. What is FirstLink? FirstLink is an app-based, standalone connected emergency lighting system that is simple to field install and simple to use. FirstLink is a complete connected emergency lighting system that includes emergency LED drivers, exit signs, combo exit signs, unit equipment options, and the FirstLink application. The FirstLink components create a reliable and robust Zigbee mesh network, which means communicating with FirstLink components and accessing their test data couldn't be easier. Once the FirstLink system has been set up, being within range of just one device gives access to them all. No need to walk the building. And with the mesh network's long range, even the farthest devices should be accessible. Once the results are collected, the FirstLink app easily exports the data into a file that you can save to your device or send to a colleague. FirstLink means compliance, avoid costly fines, and surprise inspections are no sweat. Convenience, no need to walk the building, climb ladders, or push buttons, and no searching for documentation during an inspection. Control, customize your installation, add components, and schedule tests as needed. Contact us for more information on FirstLink and to learn more about the products and app.